This is OnSign to the Academy. So we're on the next video, and today I'm going to be showing you the Geographic regions tool. Okay, so to get to there, we're going here on the left menu, and we're clicking here in Geographic regions. So this is going to be opening a map for us. Okay, so let's just go here for Miami, and we're going to be imagining a scenario. Okay, and my scenario is going to be I have screens inside taxis. Okay, and I want to play back a content specifically when the taxi gets into a geographic region. Okay, so we're going to here in this region, and we're going to be creating a geographic region to this. So to do that, we're going to click here New. We're going to choose a name, Miami, and we're going to use the tools that we have here to create the geographic region. We could be selecting the center of a circle, and we could be simply dragging it to create the actual circle. The other way we could do it, and we could be adding more to this same geographic region, is by clicking here and selecting points to be creating this geographic region. Okay. All right, so there we have it. We could be also zooming in more and create more precise locations. Let's say in this street specifically. Oh, great. Okay, so we have our Miami region created, and I can zoom it out just to see it a little bit better. Okay, well, it's called Miami. We could just simply click here in Save. Okay, so we have here the region Miami created, and now what we're going to do is actually go to that camping that we want to play back only when the taxi gets into the region. So we're going to click here in Content, and let's say that the content is actually this camping here. Okay, so we're going to right click in Publish. Up here in Publish again, we're going to select the player. We're going to scroll all the way down and go here on How to Play It. Click here and select Play when crossing a geographic fence. Okay, so the trigger here is going to be when entering a region. Keep in mind you can also choose when leaving region. So I'm selecting entering, and I'm going to select here the region we created, which is Miami. Okay, so if we click here in Publish, every time that the player crosses the geographic region by entering it, it's going to play back this camping. Easy, right? Very easy. So just keep in mind that you have to have a GPS device attached to that computer, right? Attached to that player, right? This is the only request for when using this specific feature. Another thing with geographic regions we could be doing is actually restricting the playback of content. So we're going to keep it primary loop, and we're going to be changing the idea here and actually play only when, select here, play only on players inside the geographic region Miami. So now we are restricting the playback of that content according to the location. So this playback will only happen to the players that are inside the geographic region Miami. Okay, so this is it. Very easy, huh? This is how you restrict the playback of content into a geographic region, or how you trigger content when entering or when leaving a geographic region. So there we go. I hope you've liked it. So stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to be showing you how to play back content on demand. Bye-bye.